Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GoDaddy for US business domain setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type godaddy.com into the address bar and press enter. You'll arrive at the GoDaddy homepage. Locate the search bar prominently displayed on the page. Enter your desired domain name into the search bar. Click the Search Domain button to check availability. If your preferred domain is available, proceed to the next step. If not, consider variations or new names suggested by GoDaddy. Once you have selected a domain, click on the Add to Cart button. You will be directed to your shopping cart page. Review your domain selection to ensure it is correct. You may see additional options for privacy protection or email hosting. Choose any additional services you wish to include. Scroll down and click on the Continue to Cart button. Next, you will need to create a GoDaddy account. Click on the Create an Account option if you do not have one. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Select a secure password and confirm it in the next field. Accept the terms of service by checking the appropriate box. Click on Create Account to proceed. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, review your cart one last time. Click the Proceed to Checkout button when you're ready. Enter your billing information accurately, including your payment method. Verify your information and click Continue. You may be prompted to review additional offers or upsells. Decide whether to accept or decline these offers. Click on Complete Purchase to finalize your registration. Check your email for a confirmation message from GoDaddy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.